Today is the day, the Community Care Plan Non-Profit Awards presented by Seminole, Hard Rock Hotel and Casino right here in Hollywood, Florida, brought to you by 211 Broward. And today is a very special day. We're honoring those that give back. From Lifetime Achievement Awards to Nonprofit of the Year, today's the day we honor those that truly make South Florida the best in the country. Stay tuned. Eye on South Florida is giving you exclusive coverage of the best award show. There is no nonprofit awards without the Community Care Plan. I think you guys have been over plus a decade. Tell us what it means to you continuously support such a special day in our community.
12 years I think it's been, and there is nothing more important than, especially now, people having access to number one, healthcare, affordable healthcare, and number two, having access to the resources they need in this economy, whether it's housing, whether it's mental health, whether it's food insecurity. 211 provides that, and CCP and Community Care Plan has always been a partner to make sure that all of our members that we're served throughout the county and actually throughout the state have access to those types of services when there's a need. I will say this year we actually started something new. We are now on the Marketplace Exchange with our new product 22 Health, ensuring there's access to healthcare. This is the time when people just can't find affordable care. And to supplement that, all the resources and needs go through 211.
Well, we thank you guys so much because you hear so many people struggling with affordable healthcare, and health is the top priority. So it's got to be pretty rewarding for what you're doing.
This is the favorite part of my year. I mean, to be able to see all the organizations that do all the good work they do. I mean, there isn't one organization that I can even say is not doing such an amazing job for Broward County, for the residents, and I think their phones must be ringing off the hook because there's so much need, and every time someone answers that call at 211, that's hope.
With the board chair, Mr. Singer, why don't you just kind of break down the role you play and just the whole 211 Broward's mission and philosophy?
Yeah, absolutely. So 211 is here for really everybody in this community across all ages, all needs, and 211 is that connection point to get people connected to the resources that they need to take care of themselves and their families.
Today we really get the opportunity to shine the spotlight on so many nonprofit organizations and leaders. Why is it important to kind of give them their moment?
Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of people doing amazing work to help people in this community. Today is a great way to celebrate them, raise the visibility, celebrate the successes that they've had, and we're very excited to support that.
Lifetime Achievement Award winner. Can you put into words what this recognition means to you?
Oh, I hardly can put it into words, actually. Have had the honor of serving as the president and CEO at Kids in Distress for the last 15 years, but I've actually been there for 32 years. And the support that I've received from my team, but most importantly from my colleagues in the nonprofit community, has been just incredible. Our mission at Kids in Distress and Family Central allows us to support over 20,000 children in South Florida. And my work could not have been done without the support of just an incredible team of folks. Our average leadership tenure is about 20 years at our organization, and quite honestly, each one of them should be standing with me up on that stage for this award.
I love that because it absolutely takes a team, and that's kind of what this is about. I see all these other nonprofits kind of coming together, working together, collaborating, probably inspiring for you.
It's incredible, and to be able to see our colleagues be honored as well. 211 is just such an amazing organization to be able to honor every single year those nonprofits that make a significant and meaningful impact in our community, whether it's the art, whether it's child care, whether it's child welfare and foster care. All of those folks come together to celebrate the incredible impact that we do annually in this community.
It's amazing. And kind of you personally, what's kind of led you kind of to be a true humanitarian?
Oh my gosh, a humanitarian. Those are big words and big shoes to fill, right? My roots are very, very humble in a lot of ways. I grew up in a small town in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. My graduating class was 24, but very early on in my career, I was a police officer, and I saw children that were being put into juvenile justice facilities. And I knew that wasn't right. It wasn't the right thing to do. So I kind of hopped on the bandwagon, became a foster parent, and those humble beginnings of really living with children and being able to impact them on a daily basis kind of led to my journey. And now my job is to really support, champion, and resource those people who are providing that impact to those children.
Cindy, congratulations on the Excellence Award. What does it mean to you and your team?
It's so exciting for me to receive this award. My team is, I know everyone says it, but truly, the team at the Children's Services Council of Broward County is the best. And they wake up every day looking at how to improve the lives of children, and we have made such great gains over the last 25 years.
You've done so many amazing things with your work. Is there some significant moments that stand out that you want to just kind of say, maybe this is why I'm being recognized, or something that's really touched your heart?
I don't know that I could pick one thing, I'm afraid. But I know that 25 years ago, when the voters of Broward County agreed that they wanted to be taxed for the purpose of helping children, they could not have made a better decision. And it has been the greatest honor to be able to serve as the first and only CEO of the Children's Services Council. And I think this honor is really about what we've been able to accomplish over that time. To some extent, I think it really belongs to the voters.
I love that. I love that. You're always someone that kind of looks at the community and the team, and I love that perspective. And I think that's what makes today so special, is seeing all the nonprofits kind of unite.
The nonprofits are key. The Children's Services Council is nothing without them. My motto has always been, we don't succeed unless they succeed, and they don't succeed unless the children and families succeed. So it's a virtuous circle.
Broward Health's been serving our community for over 85 years, and we're really honored, and it's a privilege to do so. Some of the things we've been able to accomplish over the years is helping those with addiction and substance abuse. We've been able to help those with behavioral health issues. We've also been able to expand our cardiac program, oncology programs, and really make an impact in our community to help those that need it most. Through our Better Together collaboration with the Memorial Healthcare System, it's really been able to move the needle, increase access to care. This past 2 years ago, we've opened the Lauderdale Lakes Maternity Care Center in collaboration with Community Care Plan, with funding from Health Foundation of South Florida. Partners like Broward Healthy Start have helped us really increase access to care for OBGYN care in central Broward County, where there's an OBGYN desert, and we're able to adjust that. They anticipated 700 families or so, and we've been able to service over 2,000 patients in that one facility alone. So the ability to collaborate is really what's going to help increase care in this community, and so that's why we're happy to be working with all of our partners, and especially the Better Together collaboration.
Yeah, and that's kind of the mission today, I feel like, is all these nonprofits, organizations are all coming together. How can we support each other? How can we work together? And you guys have been such a impact of helping so many nonprofits throughout the years as well.
It's really our privilege to be able to work with the nonprofits. I think a rising tide lifts all boats. And so if we're able to help others, we're able to lift up the entire community.
Chief Development Officer Tony, I know today is a special day. An event like this, what does it mean to 211?
Well, it means a lot to 211. It's one of our major fundraisers of the year, and it's one of the few opportunities we have throughout all of Broward County to celebrate nonprofit excellence, man. So that's what it really means for 211, is to bring this community together, share our mission, communicate with folks about the great work that 211 Broward does throughout the community, but also celebrate their great work as well.
Absolutely. Tell us, viewers, how they can maybe get involved with 211. If they're not here at this event today, how can they support the cause year-round?
Yeah, so there's lots of opportunities. The easiest thing for me to say is to go to 211-broward.org, and they'll see an array of opportunities to volunteer, to make donations. We're always looking for folks that have time, talent, or treasure.
That's amazing. When you kind of look back at what you guys do, and you're really touching hearts, you're changing lives, you're saving lives, how rewarding is it for you as a team?
Beyond rewarding. I mean, I get up every day because I know the work that we're doing and the mission of this organization is changing the lives of people I will never meet. And that's super just inspiring and encouraging and motivating.
The Florida Singing Sons are a boy choir that's comprised of boys from Broward and Dade counties. We go from 3rd grade all the way up to 12th grade, and we provide musical training, leadership, discipline training, and really just try to create a well-rounded man in today's society. So boys go through a lot of challenges that can kind of fall by the wayside, and so by giving our boys the opportunity to connect with older boys as well as men, people who have succeeded in the field like myself. I'm an alumni of the choir, and now here I am back teaching. I've got my degree in music, and so for them to see that path forward makes a huge difference. This is a huge opportunity for us because it really gives us an opportunity to get our names out there, show how important the work that we're doing is, and hopefully get some people that really care about the organization and want to support us.
With Kavita, Channe, not only are you emceeing the event, but you've been on the board for so many years. Why is today so important to you?
Today is that day every year that you and I get together, and with 211, we get to honor all of those amazing organizations that are doing so much for South Florida. And there's so many different ones every year. They definitely make sure everybody gets, their time to shine that are doing work out there, and I love it. It's so much fun. We get dressed up. It's Friday, it's daytime, and we're in gowns and suits.
And who are you wearing, by the way? We got to plug this dress because it looks phenomenal.
Is Miss Castella.
Great spin.
Yes, and I've been wearing her dresses now for many, many years. And you and I have been doing this for over 10 years.
No, it is an honor. You know, I both love doing this. And I think it's important. I know a lot of these people don't do this for recognition, but it's so nice to shine the spotlight on them. Don't you agree?
Yeah, oh yeah, I love that. And I love sometimes when an organization wins the award or a CEO and everybody comes on stage and they want to share the love. And I just love learning about all of them because I wouldn't know about them if it weren't for 2-on-1.
Well, I think that's what's great today is so many nonprofits get an opportunity where people can learn about their mission, their philosophies, support that cause year round, whether they're donating their time or money. I think that's what's so great today is all these nonprofits help and support each other.
They need one of these in literally every region. Because how else would you know?
I agree. That might be a great idea by Kavita. She's not just an entrepreneur. I mean, this girl does it all. I'm telling you, right?
I love you.
All right, she's got to get on the stage soon because it's almost go time to give some amazing awards out today. This is not only the 15th annual award ceremony, but this is 30 years of service from 2-on-1 Broward. As you can see, all these people come together and truly make a difference in our community. This is Evan Golden from Eye on South Florida.